Good afternoon to all of you. So what we have discussed in the yesterday class? 4G technology completed. Yes or no? 4G technology completed. So you have to remember all these things because question will come on this technology. It will ask you what is 1G technology, 2G technology, 3G technology, 4G technology, 5G technology is there or not? 5G technology is there or not? Yes, tell me. Five G technology. 5G technology is present, available or not? Whatever. Launched in India, in our country. In our country, it is launched or not? Not sure. Okay. Shubham. Shubham, is it working? Not available. What do you know about 5G technology? Shubham, any idea? 5G technology. 5G technology refers to fifth generation. Yes or no? Fifth generation technology which started from, can you tell which year it is started? Which year it is? Obviously it is a high speed, no doubt, because in each generation speed is increasing. Okay, whatever the new features in Syed is telling 2012 to 14. Any idea when it is started actually? When fourth generation started? When fourth generation started? 2000. Yes or no? Okay, just I am telling. Wait. So that is okay. Started from 2010. Clear? But we cannot implement till now. So it is complete wireless communication, with almost no limitation. With no limitation. It is highly supportable. It is highly supportable to www. That is 4W. What is its meaning? 4W. Yes, 4 times W. What is the meaning? What is its meaning? Any idea? It is a complete wireless communication with almost no limitation. Then it is highly supportable to www. What is the meaning of 4 times W? Yes, you can say. What is the meaning of 4 times W? 3 times W. What is the meaning of 3 times W? World Wide Web. 4 times another W is before that. Another W is wireless. Okay, wireless World Wide Web. Remember, wireless World Wide Web. So it is completely wireless. Others are also wireless, but it has no restriction, no limitation. Okay, and it is highly supportable to World Wide Web. World Wide Web, generally you can tell it is the World Wide Web. You can tell it is the what? One. You can tell also it is also one. Next, high speed. High speed. Can you tell what is the maximum speed of 4G? Maximum speed of 4G. 1 Gbps. So it is high speed, high capacity. It has no limitation of speed. It has no limitation of speed. It provides It provides large broadcasting of data, large broadcasting of data in GBPS. In GBPS, remember, very high speed. Multimedia, newspapers, watch, TV program, with the high clarity. Okay, you can also checking the TV also. Okay, then clarity adds to that of an HD quality. Clear? Next, faster data transmission, faster data transmission, that of the previous generation. Okay, then large phone memory, dialing speed, clarity, in audio or video, Next, support interactive multimedia voice, streaming video, okay, internet and other, Next, 5G is more effective and more attractive. Okay, so general, these are the criteria. You go through it, all of you. Then we'll discuss other thing. Got it? Completed? Okay, so today we'll discuss some program. Just wait. Today I will discuss some program in case of Python. Just I am checking which program I'll discuss. So first this one you complete, then we'll discuss. Have you remember the Python or forgotten? All of you. Python you have remembered or forgotten? Tell me. Remember, very good. For loop, while loop, for loop, while loop, for loop, while loop, remember or not? What is nested for loop? What is nested for loop? happens previous slide? Oh, Ayush, what you are doing? Now you join. What you are doing? Tell me first. You unmute and tell me what you are doing. I am allowing you to you just unmute and Ayush, tell me. Now you unmute and tell me what you are doing actually. Respond me what I am telling. You unmute. You can unmute. I have
Sir,
given permission.
actually, I was searching in N1,
You
N2,
can
and N3, sir.
unmute.
Sir, actually, I was searching you in.
How many times I have shown the slide? Still you are telling previous slide. What you want in the previous slide?
No, sir. Actually, I was not in this code. I was searching for that
You
pin
are
code, sir.
not listening properly everything. What is in the previous slide? Tell me.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
my mother then at last searched that pin code, and she told that sir is in iGold classroom. So that's why I came to know that you were in iGold. But still, I searched many times in N1 and N2. But I ringed you a lot. I asked to Lalatendu Kavi sir.
What is this in the slide? Tell me. You want this slide? Yes, immediately. You want this slide? Then what happens? Which slide you want? How many time I am telling, giving you? Okay, so all of you can see. So can you tell in which mode I have opened the Python ideally? In which mode I have opened, who can say? Yes, tell me. In which mode I have opened? In which mode? Shubham, you are not reading anything. In which mode I have, how many times I have told Shubhankar Sahu is correct. Shubham, actually you are not concentrating or not focusing. Because already so many times I have told you how many modes are there and this is in which mode. Both, Shubhankar, both. You can tell, no problem. Generally, it is tell immediate mode. Also, it is interactive mode. Okay, you can tell immediate mode also. So it is which mode? It is which mode? So suppose no one is reading. Only I am telling. Only I am telling you just listening. Very good. For that reason, you are not scoring good mark. Now you can tell it is which mode? It is which mode I have? Yes, tell me, it is which mode? Yes, who can say? Very good. It is the script mode. Clear, all of you? This is the script mode because in Python ideally we have two modes. We can execute the program in two mode. One is script mode, another is immediate mode. But what happens in immediate mode, or what is the difference between immediate mode and script mode? Who can say? What is the difference between immediate mode and script mode? Who can explain? Only one line. In one line, who can explain? Yes. What is the difference? And one difference you can explain. Anyone? Because question is asking what is the difference between immediate mode, script mode. Okay. Difference is coming, question is coming. Who can say? That is the command. So immediate mode Python is each time. But one very important, that important thing you write. That is the execution point of view. Okay. But one important point you can say. So in the case of immediate mode, it does not save the instruction. That is very important. But in script mode, it saves the instruction. Am I correct? Okay. So that is very important. Directly you can run the code. Directly you can run the code, no problem. Suppose one thing I am writing, just listen carefully. I am writing one very simple code. Suppose I will write for I in range. I in range. Got it? Then I will write print I. What will be the output? For I in range, then print I. What will be the output? Yes. Two codes I have written here. Two codes I have written here. One code is for I in range. For I in range. Range function, do you know? Range function. Range function, can you remember? Range function, one is only one. In another beginning and end. It is another type and another third type. You can tell start, that is written also. Stop, then step. Have you remember or not? Tell me. This is the three types of range function. Have you remember or not? These are the basic. If you not remember, then you cannot apply in the program. Very basic things I am telling you, just clear your doubt. If any doubt you can ask. Okay. So in the first range, Suppose I have written, come to the first one, range n. So it will print up to how much we can say. Suppose 1 mark question. In 1 mark question, it is written question 1, range n will print range n within parameter is n. It will print which value up to how much it will print. That means it will start from where, it will end where. Yes, who can say? This type of question also very good, Subhankar. Sushant, yes, Sushant, you mentioned start and end, starting and ending, both you mentioned. Where it will start and where it will end. Okay, so that basic knowledge you should know, because the range function has a 3 types. One is only single parameter, one parameter, another 2 parameters, one is beginning value and ending value, another is you can write beginning, ending, and a step or start, stop. Okay, now confirm range n, but where it will start and where it will end. Yes, Susan, Subham, Ritam, all of you tell. Subham, yes. Subham, I am asking this question. Are you listening properly? What I have written inside? Sushant, not correct. Starting, not correct. Subham, are you listening properly? What I am, my question is, what your answer is? Mismatching the answer with question. No, that's why I am asking. You have written the answer. That's why I am asking. I am asking that range n. So that I am asking again and again. Are you listening clearly or not? You are listening useless things. What I am asking, you are listening useless things. Siddharth, what I am asking, range n. Range n will print what? What will be the range? Or what is the starting, what is the ending of range n? You are not using the common sense. I am not asking this one. I am not asking this one. I am asking this one. Yes, I very good. Correct. Tanusri, yes, correct. Okay. So here n means n value may be whatever it may be. Always remember it will start from 0, and if it is n, n value I don't know. So it will end at n minus 1. It will go up to n minus 1. So starting is 0, ending is n minus 1. If I will tell n value is 10, so starting is 0 and last value is 9. If it is 10, but if it is n, so Shubham, you have written for 10 also 0 to 9, for n also 0 to 9. What type of answer you are giving? For 10 it is 0 to 9, but for n 0 to n minus 1. This is the particular, this is the general. So that means if n value it may be whatever it may be, so that is 0 to n minus 1. If n is 10, 0 to 9, because n minus 1. If it is n is 20, 0 to 19. Okay. So now this one, what will be its starting and what will be its ending? You can say. Second case. In the second case, what you will tell? Be general, but here it is be particular. You can say. What is the starting? What is the ending? Use that term only. What is written in the question? You have to use that code only, that term only. Yes, tell me. Very good, Tanushree. Yes, anyone? Yes, Sahid, very good. Tell me. What about others? So it will start from beginning. Beginning value, it may be whatever it may be. If you will put 0, it will start from 0. If you will take beginning value 1, it will start from 1. If you will take beginning value is 10, then it will start from 10. That depends on you, which value you have to take at beginning. But here, once you return 10 means always it will start from 0. Always it will start from 0. And ending is n minus 1. But in this case, it depends on you. So that is the starting is beginning big and end is n minus 1. Last is n minus 1. Important. Okay, next come to this one. This starting will start there and it will stop value not include. But the next value or the end value will be step means how much step 2, 3, 4. Okay, but before stop you have to complete. So that is the range functions. Okay, so come to this point. Now you come what it will be printed out. What it will be printed out. I have written in script mode. I have written in the script mode, so what output it will give. Yes, you can say what will be the output. So see here. Can you see the output or not? Can you see the output or not? Check it. 0 to 9. But where I have written the program, in which mode I have written the program, in which mode, always remember, in which mode, script mode. But where you will see the output or where it will display the output, very good. Remember, that is very important thing. Whenever you are writing the program in script mode, still you will get the answer in immediate mode. Okay. Suppose I will write here, or can I write here? Same thing. Can I write here or not? Tell me. See here. I have written or not? Check it. In which way I have written in script mode, in that way also I can write here. But what is the difference? What is the difference here? In immediate mode, I am writing the code, and in that mode, it is giving the output. But whenever I have written in the script mode, output is given in the immediate mode, not in the script mode. And another thing is that whenever you are writing the any code in the immediate mode or interactive mode, so it will not save the code, it will not save your code. But in case of a strict mode, you can create your file so that you can save also permanently. And whenever you want to execute that program again, you can run, no problem. Okay. So see here, output is coming or not? Is it visible or not? Check it. Got it? So directly, who has asked the question, directly it is giving here. Directly means in which mode you are writing the code, in that mode you are getting the output immediately. But in script mode, it is changing the mode. Whenever you are writing the program in script mode, it is changing the mode to display the output. Okay, it is changing the mode to immediate mode to display the output. In that mode, it cannot show the output. Got it the difference or not? Tell me. Very basic things. Don't be confused. Got it? Those who are forgotten, so you just recall your concept because very basic things I am discussing. See here, can you see? So what will be the output of this? Just what output you got? I have written very small program, only 2-line code, and I want to show you the output is when I am using the range function. I am using the range function, so it is like this. Suppose I will tell I want to print 0 to 5. Listen carefully. But I will not change this code. I will not change this code. 10 is also there. I will not change 10. But I want to print 0 to 5. I want to print 0 to 5. What I will do? What modification I will do here? What modification I will do here? But for loop I will keep, range function I will keep 10 also there. I will not change 10. But what I will modify, how I will modify so that it will print 0 to 5. Who can say any idea? What modification I will do so that I will print the value I 0 to 5. But this 10 will remain. This 10 will remain. This for loop also will remain. No change. What I should do? Yes, any idea? Any idea? Where I will write return? Where I will write tell me where I write? After first instruction, after second instruction, or before first instruction? Where I will write? You tell me the code. You just don't tell Sushant only while loop. If you tell like this, what I will do? Rhythm tell write I less than 6. Where I will write? Is telling here I will write I less than 6. Rhythm. Here I will write here I will write but in the range function that thing is not there because already I have told again you do the mistake. In the range function that type of parameter you cannot take. One is only one value you can take, another two value. Two value is in beginning and ending, another is three value, start, stop and step. But this type of relational operator condition you cannot take inside the range function. Got it? If suppose I will execute, see here, what is coming, you just check it. What is coming? Tell me. Yes, what is coming? Tell me. Invalid syntax. Yes or no? So is it will it work? Will it work? Because range function is not that type of a syntax. So I cannot write like this. I cannot write like this. Okay. Subhankar has written some condition. Subhankar has told that write like this. How? You write here if I less than 6. Subhankar, according to the Subhankar. Subhankar told this one. Yes, Subhankar, am I correct? You have told this one to write. Subhankar told that if you write this one, so it will print 1, 0 to 5. Respond, Subhankar. So will it work? Will it print 0 to 5? Will it print 0 to 5? Let us check. Very good. It is printing 0 to 5. Got it or not? It is printing 0 to 5. It is working perfectly. Are you getting? So like this, although range function is there, so I have not changed this one. I have put one condition. If I less than 6, first will be 0, I is 0, 0 less than 6. No, it is what it will do? 0 less than 6. Is it true? So print is 0. Then I becomes 1. 1 less than 6. Yes, true. Print 1. Then 2. 2 less than 6. Yes, print 2. 3. Print 3. 4. Print 4. 5. Print 5. 6. But when 6 it is. Are you getting? Suppose I'll write like this. In another way I will write. So it is also one way you can tell. Suppose I will write like this. If I equal to 6. If I equal to 6. If I equal to 6. Break. Will it work? Tell me. Will it work? Error. Siddhant is telling error. Okay. Will it work? Will it print 0 to 5? I used same thing instead of okay. Okay. I'm not getting. So suppose in the previous, you just remember only I have written if I less than 6, then it will print 0 to 5. Now I have put one condition instead of I less than 6, I have put I equal to 6. Then I use one the condition break. So what will be its output? Tell me. Tell me what will be its output, or it will give error. What will be its, because I am discussing the program, you participate all of you. Basic things I am discussing. Okay, because I will discuss more programs than theory. If you will do the program, then you can recall the theory. But if you will only read the theory, then we cannot write the program also. So through program we will discuss the theory. Got it? Okay. So if you will write the program, so you just focus on this. Any time you are facing the difficulties or any doubt, you ask me immediately. So now you tell. So you tell what will be its output. What will be its output? Because for loop will continue. For loop will continue from 0 to 9. For loop will continue from 0 to 9. Or I value will be start from 0 and it will end at 9. But depends on the condition. If I equal to 6 I have written, then I have used break. If I equal to 6, then break. So what will be its output? What will be its output? Yes, what will be its output? Shubhankar is telling 0 to 5. Okay, any other? Any other? Zero to 5. Any other who can say? Shubham telling 0 to 5. Okay. Any other? Let us say yes, 0 to 5. It is also working. Got it? In two ways. One way Shubhankar has told, another way I have written. So both way it is perfectly working. So, but in that case, we have not used any break statement, but here we have used the break statement. Okay, here we have used the break statement. Okay, it is working or not? Is it visible to you? Output is visible or not? Okay, so got the logic, or I will explain the logic? All of you got the logic or not? Or I have to explain? Explain. Okay, listen carefully. So first tell me, just I am writing. But first for loop will continue. What is the value of I first? What is the value of I? 0. Yes or no? Immediately you also tell. What is the value of first I? 0. When for loop will, because you know that the range function 10 is written means its value is 0 to 9. First I is assigned to 0. Then when it is 0, it is true. Then it will enter to the for block. So when it entered to the for block, it is check that what is written. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Because you got I is 0, but it is written I equal to 6. Is it true? Arey, tell me immediately what you are doing. Is it true? It is written I equal to 6, but first time I is how much? In for loop, like let's check. In first time, what is the value of I? Because in the range function it is written 10. So what is the value of I? 0. So I is 0. But what if 0? It is true. When it is true, it will enter to the for block. When it enter the for block, so in for block it is written another condition. If I equal to 6, is it true? I equal to 6, is it true? I equal to 6, is it true? What you are Sushant you are telling means I don't know. I equal to 6, is it true? Shubhankar is also telling yes. How you are calculating, I also don't know. I means I am shocked. How you are telling I equal to I is initialized first time is 0, but here condition is written I equal to I is matching with 0 is matching with 6. You are telling yes. Huh? So don't tell me explanation. You focus on the, if you are not interested, you leave the session. Here I am writing condition I equal to 6, but initial I, in the for loop I got, from the for loop I got I is 0. Then it will go for second matching. I equal to 6 means 0 equal to 6. You are telling yes. How I will explain? Tell me. Pathetic situation. Okay. So if it is true, it will execute which statement? Break. Yes or no? Listen carefully. Indentation. Follow the indentation. If this is true, it will execute break. Otherwise, it will execute which one? Print I. Are you getting my point? If I equal to 6 is true, because this break is written inside the if block, but print I is written outside the if block. So it is false. Then which one will execute? Break or print I? Which one it will execute? So print. Then what it will print? It will print 0. It will print 0. Got it? Then after printing 0, again it will go to the for loop, because already you know that until unless for loop is false, okay, it will not exit. So then what will be the I value next? What will be the output I value next? I becomes how much? What will be the I value? 1. Then if it is 1, then it will enter to the for loop. Then tell whether it is true or false. Then if block is true or false. If block is true or false. So false. If it is false, which one will execute? Which one will execute? Break or print? Which one will execute? Break or print? Which one will execute? Break or print. So if it will print, so what will be the output? 1. Output is 1. Yes or no? I am printing like this. First output is 0. Second is 1. Got it? Then I becomes how much? 3. I becomes how much? 2. Then 2. Then come to this one. Tell me what it will do. It will execute break or print. When I equal to 2, it will execute break or print. It will execute break or print. Okay, so it will execute print. because it is false. When false, it will print print I. When true, it will print break. Remember, because due to indentation, I am not telling. According to the indentation, so it will print 2. Then I becomes how much? 3. Then you go to the for loop block. In the for loop block, what is written? If I equal to 6, is it true or false? It is true or false? It is true or false? So false. If it is false, which one will execute? If it is false, which one will execute? If it is false, which one will execute? So print. What it will print? So it will print 3. It will print 3. 3 will be printed out. Then come to the I becomes how much? I becomes how much? 4. Then continue. Tell me which one. Condition true or false? According to you, tell me which one false. Very good. So condition is false. If condition is false, it will go to the print. That means it will print 4. 4. Clear? Then I becomes how much? 5. Then the condition false or true? True or false? True or false? False. Because you know, according to the indentation, if it is true, it will execute break. If it is false, it will execute print. Then what it will printed out? 5. Then I becomes how much? I becomes how much? 6. So then tell, true or false? True. Now we reach at the condition, because till 5 we are getting false, 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 false. Till 5 we are getting from 0 to 5 we got false, 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 hence it is printed out print 5, 0 to 5. But when I reach at a 6, so it is execute break. Break means, what is the meaning of break? Who can say? So it will stop the execution of a for loop. Are you getting my point? It will stop the execution of a for loop. It will not allow to again continue, because for loop should continue up to 9. Yes or no? Am I correct? Because 10 I have written 10. So as I have written 10 in the range function, the range should continue from 0 to 9. For loop should continue 0 to 9. But who stops to continue 0 to 9? Who stops? What is the condition I have written? Who stops? This is the condition I have written. That is the called break condition. I have applied one condition and written break. So what I have told? I have told to the program that when it will reach at 6, you stop. You break the loop. You break the loop. So it will print only up to 5. When I reaches at 6, program is true. And the true means it will not go to the printing for I. It will execute the break statement. And what the break statement will do? Break will stop continuation of for loop. Remember, when break condition satisfied, this is the break condition. Because in the if block I have written break. Okay. So the condition will stop the break. You can check the output also. So output is you can say output is 0 to 5. Got it, all of you? Output is 0 to 5. Got it or not? So that is called the break condition. due to the break condition. And how you will write the break condition? You got it or not? Actually, for loop should continue 0 to 9, but before reaching the 9, we break it. We break the for loop. Suppose I want to continue up to 9. What I will do? You can say I want to continue 0 to 9, not 0 to 5. What I will do? So that it will print. What I'll write? Lisa is telling I equal to 9, I equal to 10. I'll write. Okay. Lisa is telling I write I equal to 10. So let's check. Yes, it is doing. If I write 9, what it will do? 0 to 8. But this is not actual case. I don't want to change this condition. I don't want to change this condition. Are you getting my point? I will not change. Still, I will continue up to 9. Now you tell. I have put the condition restriction that I will not change. I equal to 6. I will write. But I want to print is 0 to 9. Now you tell. If I will not put the condition, you can write I equal to 10. So then it can print, no problem. But I will tell no, I will not change the condition. I will write I equal to 6. Still I want to print 0 to 9. Then what I will do? Any idea? Tell me, any idea? Very basic things, basic question. This type of remove break. If I will remove the break, what happens? I have to also remove I equal to 6. Are you getting my point? Because if I will remove the break, then no necessary to write I equal to 6. But I will not change anything. I will not delete, I will not change to I equal to 6. Are you getting? Now you tell. What I will do. Anyone? Any idea? I will not remove I equal to, because I will remove the break means I have to remove the I equal to 6. Because that condition only I have written for break statement. Okay, but I will not remove. What I will do? No idea? What I will do? Can I write this one? Can I write this one? Can I write this one? Tell me. Instead of a break, if I will write continue, will it print 0 to 9? Instead of break, if I will write continue, will it print or not? Let's check. What is the output? Output is visible or not? Output is visible or not? Check it. So you got the difference between break and continue. You got the difference, because in order to show the difference between break and continue, I have done this thing. Otherwise, directly I can tell. but directly I did not tell you. You should feel that if I am writing break, what is output? If I am writing continue, because if I write break here, what happens? If I write break here, what happens? When it reaches at this condition, the break will not allow to continue the for loop. Listen again. When it reaches this condition, this is the breaking condition. This is the breaking condition of the loop. It will not allow. If I write break here, when it reaches at 6, it will not allow to continue from 6 onwards. But if I write continue, so when it reaches 6, so it will allow the next iteration also. Next iteration also it will allow. Means 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you getting the difference? If will not write this one also, if will not write this one also, it will print 0 to 9, yes or no? If you will not write these two code, will it print 0 to 9, yes or no? Yes, it will print, but we should know the rule of a break and continue statement. We should know that. If will not write, also it will give you the output 0 to 9. But in order to know that, so in this way you can see, so in the you just practice all these things, okay, because this is the revision round. I will discuss very small things, very basic things. So program, by using the program we will discuss, okay, theory you will read, and any question, any doubt, okay. So nested for loop, you just read the nested for loop. Tomorrow we will discuss some small program on the nested for loop. Are you getting my point? Nested for loop. And another, if anything is written in for loop, how will you convert into while loop? Or if anything is written in while loop, how will you convert into for loop? Means conversion. Okay, because that question is coming also. How will you convert for loop to while loop and while loop to for loop? Interconversion, that you can also do. Okay, that you practice, and some different programs I will discuss with you, so that you will. Okay, so thank you all of you.